In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Snapchat premium subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your Snapchat app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now go ahead and click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. You'll be directed to the profile page. Now click on the gear icon given at the top right. Once you're in the settings, scroll down. Here you're going to find the option of Snapchat Plus. Click on that. If you currently have an active subscription, you're going to find the option of manage your subscription. Select it. Now follow the on-screen instructions to cancel it. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Keep in mind that cancelling your subscription does not immediately remove your Snapchat Plus benefits. You'll continue to enjoy all the premium features until the end of your current billing cycle. After that, your subscription will expire and will not renew automatically. That's it. By following these steps, you can successfully cancel your Snapchat Plus subscription whenever you choose. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.